So hmm. So I was explaining like you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, it was right.
No, was not. Now it should be okay, right? Able to see my screen, right?
Ah, it's visible.
Okay,
But continue.
it's visible. That's good. Okay, so just I switch on the switch. I have assigned the host name here. Yeah, now it should be okay. So this is core number 1. So I have not configured any VLAN. You can see. So VLAN brief. No VLAN is configured. No BTP is configured. Nothing is configured. I assigned the host name only. So core 1, just configure the host name. Config T. Host name is configured. Just configure the BTP domain name. BTP domain ABC. Okay. It will go from null to ABC. Okay. Now go on switch number 2. Configure the same thing. Config T. BTP domain ABC. Done. Then go number 3. BTP domain ABC. Here BTP domain ABC. Here BTP domain ABC. BTP domain ABC. So I need to explain change the mode of the switches transparent mode. Okay. How to reset the configuration revision number I need to explain, right? So now all the switches having BTP domain name. So you know like what is the criteria to work BTP? Abhi, what is the criteria to work BTP? Could you could you please explain?
Yes. Yes, okay. First should be trunking should be enabled.
Okay, trunking should
Okay.
be enabled. Next,
Yeah. BTP domain name should be same. You have the
BTP
same.
domain should be configured and should be same. Okay,
Yes. And BTP password should be same.
if configured, then it should be same. Okay,
Yes.
so if you want to configure, you can configure the BTP password as well. Just configure Cisco. So just copy in all the devices. If password I have shown you last class, like if password was not same, then switch will not receive the BTP advertisement, right?
Yes.
So you know that. So all the switches right now in server mode switches, right?
Yes.
So we have configured the domain name, we have configured the password. Now we need to configure some of the VLAN. Okay. So here VLAN 1 to 100. That command was not working on the, what we called packet tracer, right?
Cisco packet
Here,
is.
here it will work. See, 1 to 100 VLAN I have configured on the core. Only I have configured in the core. So you see VLAN brief. All the 100 VLAN is got
Okay.
configured.
Mhm.
And let me connect some of the system as well, right? So I will connect here, connect anywhere, and connect here. One system is here, one system is here. That will fine, right? To test it. I will use like VLAN 1 only. Not VLAN 1, they can use VLAN 100. Okay. I will assign those port into VLAN 100. I will see you the communication. It's happening or not. So configure IP address for the devices. Just put it on start PC1, PC2. Okay, it's not started. Start here, PC2. So PC1 just configure IP 100.100. 100.100.100 slash 24 100 on gateway is not required. Just configure it only. Done. And this PC we need to configure 100.1 IP 100.100.100.100 slash 24. That's it. So we have configured the VLAN here, right? On this device. 1 to 100 is configured. So it should, all other switches in the network should receive the same VLAN information, VLAN 1 to 100. Let me show you. So VLAN brief. See how many VLAN is configured? No VLAN. Okay. Let me see here. We need to find it out why it's not configured. So VLAN brief.
Was the trunking enabled?
Okay, you got it. So like that, you need to troubleshoot. So VLAN brief. So none of the VLAN because of there is no trunking enabled, right? So first enable on the core number 1. Just let me know if we have enable, we need to enable on the core number 1. So it will enable in the core 2 as well or not. Config T, interface range 012 E1 E0/022, right? And switch port mode dynamic desirable. And here you can see also switch port mode trunk switch port. Okay, might be I was showing like ISL and .q. Leave that one. We will show you later on. Might be it's a higher ISO version. You will not see this. Switch port mode dynamic desirable. Okay. Then I was asking the question, right? If we will enable the trunking here, then it will enable here as well or not? Think and let me know. And here or not? Hmm?
Here it will get enabled.
Here enable, right?
Switch 1. Yes, here enable. Here
Here?
also. But it won't get, no, it won't get.
No, right?
Yes.
You know, right? You know what? Why it's not enabled?
Because you at least have to configure.
At least one side should be trunking, right? Because we have
one
learned
port should be.
two things, right? Mode of the DTP. One is desirable. One side is one mode is desirable, one is auto, right? And desirable, if you will configure this port desirable, this port desirable, this port desirable, this automatically configured this port, right? This port will be trunking.
Yes, correct.
But it is auto. This port is auto, this port is auto, this port is auto. So it will not initiate any connection. It will only listen, right? Here is also listening. So no one is there to initiate the trunking. So I will show you. Go on switch number 1. Here you can check show interface trunk. You will see all 3 port is trunking is enabled, right? But you will go on the switch number 1. You will see show interface trunk. You will see only one interface trunk, right? Only one interface, 0/0. Means only this interface is got, this interface only got trunking, this one, which is initiating the connection and it's making itself as a trunk port. You're getting right how DTP is working,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Can you show the command again?
What
Just
command?
once.
It's a dynamic desirable only. So I have run only one command, that is switch port mode dynamic desirable. This command. That's it. And go on the core 2 and run the same command. Config T, interface range E, because we need to cover this one, not this one. So 0/0 to 2. Okay. E 0/0 to 2. Switch port mode dynamic desirable, right? This is the range command, dynamic desirable. Now you will see this switch also got trunking. Done? All the port and switch number 1. Earlier it was showing only one port. Now you will see as a 2 port. Right? You have got it right? How
Okay,
DTP is exactly working.
I just have one question. Okay, the switch 1, 2, and 3 would be in auto mode, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, because we have enabled
it will only listen.
trunking
For
with-
example, which is auto mode, it will listen.
Okay.
And which is
because we have
dynamic mode, desirable mode, it will initiate connection.
yeah.
You
Okay,
remember the
yes,
DTP
yes,
when I
yes,
was
correct.
explaining like should be there is a 2 mode. Okay, I'm not asking about the switch
Yes,
port
yes.
mode. I'm asking about the mode only, DTP mode. DTP mode we have a 2, desirable and auto. Desirable
Okay.
always initiate the connection and auto will accept that connection and make itself as is requesting by the desirable mode port. Means this mode is initiating the access port, it will make itself as access port. It is initiating as a trunk port, it will make this port as a trunk port. Okay?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So now you can check. All is good. Now you will see your all the VLAN is configured everywhere. I have configured only core here. I have configured here only 1-200, but it will configure all other switches. Now you will check here. So VLAN brief, you will see 100 VLAN is came up, right? So how easy this process is? You need to configure only one. Automatically, it's providing all the switches that like all the switches will receive the same VLAN information whatever we have. So how many increment
because
will
now
happen?
they can send the VTP messages, right?
Right.
After the trunking. The VTP
Yeah,
was
correct. As soon as I said, like it's a requirement, trunking should be enabled. As soon as trunking enable, then they can start sending the BTP messages. Okay. And also password and domain name should be same. See, only one revision number happened. And if you want to communicate from PC1 to PC2, ping 100.100.100.101 ping hyphen T something.
Shouldn't it be 100? It should be 100. We are using PC2. PC1 is 100.100.100.
Okay, 100.100.100. Okay. Is there ping is happening? Okay, I need like to be okay, continuous pinging. Okay. Now, if you can go ahead and modify the configuration revision number, for example, go here and just config t VLAN 101, for example, you will see that so BTP status increment is happened by 1, right? Then you will configure, VLAN 20102. So whatever VLAN you are going to configure or any services, so multiple services we have. Like for example, if you configure the VLAN, delete VLAN, edit the name of VLAN or something, or you are changing the version of the BTP, also every time this CR number is going to increase. For example, BTP pruning, right? This one. BTP pruning, where it is, BTP pruning, this one, right? Where it is, BTP. Let me show you. So
Right below that.
BTP status, right? BTP pruning is disabled. If I enable the BTP pruning, what will happen? Yes, config T. Just I'm enabling and I'm showing you what are the cases can be like responsible to change the CR number. Right now, its CR number is 3. I am enabling BTP pruning. In it, right? BTP pruning is on. Now you see BTP status. It's increased 4, right? This command and this once we are enabling the pruning on the packet tracer, I remember it was not increasing the CR number, right? You remember last class we were testing, right? It was not. But here, if you are changing any BTP version and pruning, delete VLAN, add VLAN, change the name, any activity you are doing related to VLAN, CR number will increase by 1. For example, I'm deleting the VLAN. Config T no VLAN 99, right? See, CR number got increased. Now 5. Now I'm going to delete it, 98, for example. Earlier was 5. Now it should be 6. See, now it should be 6. And as soon as we are changing the, any modification on the server switch, any of the switches, it is going to reflect all the switch except transparent mode. Either is client or server, it will accept that BTP advertisement. Okay. So we'll see CR number is 6 here, right? You will log in any of the switches. You will see same CR number because it's going to synchronize. See, 6. And whatever VLAN you have deleted, so VLAN brief. 99 and 98 we have deleted, right? See, 99 and 98 and 99 is deleted. So whatever you are doing on one switch is going to reflect all your network. Okay. Now how you are going to make the configuration revision number 0? Okay. Just take a switch number 3, this switch only. So right now, what is the so BTP status? CR number is 6, right? So first is change the mode of the switch. So config T. If you don't remember the command, don't know the command, just write down BTP mode and give question mark. You can see server mode, transparent mode, client mode, off mode is also there. It is features of the BTP version 3. In packet tracer, you will not see this command, off command. But here you will see, because this switch is supporting the BTP version 3 as well. You can see here, it supports BTP version 1 to 3, right? That's what you can see here, off mode. So I will explain later on. It's not like it's very big thing. Like when I will explain BTP version 3, I will give the differences. What is the BTP different between BTP version 1, 2, 3? But I will not explain much about version 3 because generally we are not using it, and generally people are not asking. Only they will ask sometime about the differences. Okay. If you want to learn, you can learn from the somewhere on YouTube or internet. A lot of videos available over there. But if you really need, then I will explain the BTP version 3 as well. Okay. Okay. So plan is transparent mode. Earlier configuration revision number was 6. As soon as you will put as a transparent mode, see what happened. So VLAN brief. So BTP status. See, is 0. First point is proof, right? Changing the mode of transparent mode. After that, CR number will be 0.
Yes.
It's got proof, right? Now you can see CR number is 0. What about VLAN? VLAN will exist the same. Now, if you want to change the any of the VLAN, for example, here I'm going to remove the VLAN. 1 second. Here we are going to remove the VLAN 97, for example. 97. Okay. And in all the switches, you will see the VLAN, so BTP, so VLAN brief. You will see 97 is got deleted everywhere. See, 97 got deleted, everywhere you will see is deleted. So VLAN brief. 97 deleted, you will go here. 97 got deleted. And but we will see here, so VLAN brief is there, right? Because once transparent mode switch will receive the BTP advertisement, it will not advertise its it will not update its own database, but it will simply forward that message to other connected switches, right?
Yes. Yes.
Great.
Correct.
So it's proof, right? Then second thing is like change the domain name. Okay. Then this switch config T, just change the mode to server again. As soon as we'll change the server mode, then so VLAN brief, you will see 97 will come after some time. It's not there as of now. After some time, you will see this 97 will come up. How long it will take actually?
300 seconds.
Correct. 5 minutes it will take approx to configure their VLAN itself. Or else, if you want to configure immediate, what you need to do?
We can create it manually.
No, not manually. Here you just do some activity. For example, okay, 97 I have removed, right? Just remove,
Yes.
just configure 97.
Yeah.
So any activity you need to perform to immediate reflection. See?
Yes, that is what I said. Like,
Oh, it's not came up. Let me see. Oh. So VLAN brief. 96, 97 we have configured, right? Okay, not configured because I explained in VLAN during the VLAN, until unless you will not give exit, it will not give the VLAN will not be created. So VLAN brief.
Yes.
See here, it's not created. So how it will forward? So you need to be
Exit.
exit from here, right? Now you will see your VLAN is configured. Immediate message will be flooded. It came, right?
Yes.
You need to keep in mind everything which I explained. Okay. Now it's saying second thing is change the domain name. So BTP status, you will see CR number is 8 because we have deleted, we have created and everything done, right? Now we are changing the mode from ABC to small ABC, for example, config T, BTP domain, ABC, small one I'm using because I explained it's a case sensitive. So you need to exact same. Its capital letter should be capital letter, small letter should be small letter. So BTP status. See, what happened? Configuration revision number 80. So second point is proved. Change the domain name to some other name and later come back to same name. Now, if this is the new devices, third number devices we are going to put into the network, it should be the configuration revision number should be 0 always. What is the impact? I am showing in moment. Okay. How your communication is happening right now, right? Your communication is happening right now, right? You will see how it will immediately stop working. So in the company, lot of user, lot of VLAN was there, but I'm showing you by taking one VLAN information. Like one VLAN is working fine. So all other VLAN also working fine. Okay. In that case, if something you have done wrong in BTP, for example, none of the VLAN is configured on this switch and you have connected into network, might be it can ruin your network and none of the communication will happen. I will show you what will be the impact. Okay. But just let me prove the third point. Third point is nothing but I am not sure after reload this, virtual will come up or not. But let me try. Now change the correct name. First of all, ABC to ABC. Okay. Now, so VLAN brief, all the VLAN is available here. Okay. Now, so BTP status, you will see, it's all this configuration revision number is repeated. Done. Now, hmm, what I need to explain? Okay. I need to delete the VLAN.dat file. How you will do that? Config T, or you can see so flash first. So flash. dir, it's something saying Unix. It's directory name. So generally you will see as a flash, but here is something Unix. So whatever file name, whatever memory name, you need to go here and delete the VLAN.dat file. This one. So yeah, you can delete from here as well. So delete Unix and then delete this file. Okay. I will show you in packet tracer or something somewhere you will see as a flash. And every in production network you will see as a it will show as a flash, not Unix. It's pirated something you know iOS. So that's what is showing different name. That's okay. So delete it, delete, delete. Done. Now reload it. I'm not sure it will come up or not. No, don't want to save the config. It should come up. It will come up, then it will be okay. It will not come up, then we need to. I will show you in somewhere else. Oh, okay, it came up. So BTP status. See, and VLAN. There is no VLAN. Got it? This third point is also proved.
Okay, so all the data would be deleted.
Yeah,
This would be
definitely. You have
applicable.
deleted the VLAN.dat file.
So this would be applicable for only this switch or all the other switch?
It will applicable on this switch
Only for
only. Only this
on
switch.
only this switch only, right?
Because you have deleted, right? From here only. It will not impact to any other switches. Because see, you have deleted VLAN.dat file where this BTP information also is stored. Okay. And now, due to your domain name got mismatched, then whatever message this switch is sending to other switches, it will not accept. You are getting my point. So
Yes.
BTP status, see here, domain, what is host domain name? Null, right? So other switch will receive the message.
No.
Other switch will receive the message. No, because condition
No.
is domain name should be same.
Same.
Correct? If
So
not
we'll have
same,
to make the configurations. So we will have to make the configuration again, and then automatically all the VLANs would set up again, right? From one to one.
correct, correct. If you
Okay.
want to change it, you want to config T, BTP domain, ABC, right? And then BTP password. What password you've configured? I forget it.
Cisco.
That's okay.
Cisco.
I forget it. So BTP password to check that. See, it's configured this one. This is the command to check the password, what you have configured. BTP password, Cisco. Done. Now you will see all the VLAN is received.
Trunking.
It's already
Okay.
enabled, right? So BTP, so VLAN brief.
Would it take 300 seconds again?
Yeah, or else we can generate a message, right? Just delete or enable any of the VLAN. Config T, delete 95. Done. Now you will see. Oh, no. Something is not good. Let me show. So interface trunk. Trunk is enabled. So BTP status. So server mode switch. Configuration revision number is 0. ABC 1 to 3. BTP version 1. Yeah. It should receive. Not coming up. So BTP status 8 should be sent to this interface as well. Let me check the host name, password, BTP domain, this one, right? Version 1 and ABC. Just
Okay. Pruning was not enabled. Do we need
no,
to
that's
enable
okay.
pruning?
I have not explained pruning yet, right? I will explain the pruning. So VLAN brief is still not received. Wait for some time. It should come up. Might be something went wrong here. 95. Just configure it again. Your number is still 0. Domain is correct. And so BTP status. Should be came up automatically, but Not sure about virtual things. Oh. Config T, VLAN 2, for example. Let me see. So BTP status. And here, oh, mode I need to check it out. So BTP status. Mode should be okay. It's server. Now it's received. So it's taking some time. I have created one VLAN. Might be, I'm not sure, but might be that VLAN.dat file was not available. Due to that reason, might it's not receiving or something. But you will not face in real world. It will receive the VLAN information. It will, as soon as it will receive the BTP information, it will create that file automatically. Okay.
Or else we can do this manually also. Like we can just create one VLAN and then it will automatically create the
yeah, but in real world you will not see like that issue.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
This time I have done that for the testing only, but in real world you no need to do about. Okay. So all good. Now we have seen like how we are going to reset the configuration revision number. Now in next part, what we will see, how your device is going to impact your existing network. Okay, what I will do, I will shut down these interfaces. For example, config T, I will show you in here as well. I said, if you made like that scenario, configuration revision number make high, domain name should be same, password should be same. In that case, if this switch having configuration number revision number is high and there is no VLAN, then it will ruin your network. I mean, whatever VLAN 1 to 100 you have configured, it will remove all and it will say as a no VLAN on each and every switches. Okay, and your communication, whatever is happening right now, it will stop. Okay, just make the scenario. First, I am going to shut down these interfaces. Okay, I will make these shutdown interfaces. First of all, shut down, and then I will increase the CR number, like 8 right now is going on, right? I will make 9 or 10, whatever. And then I will enable those port again. Then you will see like all the VLAN, it will go away from the switches. So if you will not check the configuration revision number and you will will not reset the configuration revision number 0, then it could be causes like big issue. Okay, let's prove it. Let's prove it. Then just do so BTP status and see 8 number, right? I will increase 9. So I will say no VLAN 1 to no VLAN 224096 94, right? All the VLAN deleted. So VLAN brief. Oh, okay, sorry. No, I will first I will not remove the VLAN information. Okay, exit. So all the VLAN is there. And you can see here as well. So VLAN brief. All the VLAN is there. Oh, okay, it's deleted. It will come up. Hold on for some time. So VLAN brief. All the VLAN is there, right? It will come up very soon. So VLAN brief. It came as well here.